Today we're tackling a critical topic often shrouded in silence: fatty liver disease. This widespread condition, affecting millions worldwide, can silently build up and pose significant health risks. However, early detection and intervention can make a world of difference. 1. Unexplained fatigue and weakness. Imagine waking up feeling drained and sluggish, even after a good night's sleep. This persistent fatigue, a hallmark symptom of fatty liver disease, can significantly impact your daily life. Simple tasks may feel overwhelming, leaving you with a constant sense of exhaustion. Additionally, this fatigue may be accompanied by brain fog and difficulty concentrating, further hindering your productivity and well-being. 2. Abdominal discomfort. Pay close attention to any unexplained pain or bloating in your upper abdomen, especially on the right side. This discomfort, often described as a dull ache or sharp pain, can radiate to your back or shoulder, making even the slightest movement uncomfortable. As fatty liver disease progresses, the enlarged and inflamed liver can press against nearby organs, causing further discomfort and digestive issues. 3. Unexplained weight gain or loss. Sudden and significant changes in your weight, regardless of your diet or exercise routine, can be a red flag. Rapid weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, creating a beer belly appearance, is a common symptom of fatty liver disease. Conversely, some individuals might experience unintentional weight loss, often accompanied by decreased appetite and changes in food preferences. 4.